If you want to add in comments to your Google Drawings, then when nothing is selected, you can press on the add comment button right here. And once you do that, what happens is that you add in comment to the entire thing. So let's say, for example, you can say something like, well, this is interesting right here. And you can comment this out. So others who view the file will be able to see this. You can also select out individual objects right here. And then what you can do is you can click on the add comment button right here to add comments on that individual item right over here as well. So this is the comment for the overall file, while this is the comment for this particular picture. Similarly, you can go around and let's say, for example, if I were to drag around this shape, this is what you have. So now if I were to select around this shape right here, and then click on comment, then I can go around, add in comment to this particular shape as well. So whatever object you have, you can add around comment right there. So if the comment is resolved, so let's say other people actually go around and then see the comment, they can click on the check mark here to resolve the comment. And to view all of the comment that there are on a single document, you can go around and click on open comment history as well, and you will be able to see all of the comments right here. You can also click on add a comment right here, and then a comment is added to this particular selected item. As you can see, just like you would actually add a comment from here, you have the same option over here as well. And that is how you can work around with the adding of comments inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.